What's up, guys? I hope y'all had an amazing Christmas. I'm actually recording this before Christmas. It's Christmas Eve right now, but I have something special. So right now, y'all can probably not tell what this is. I mean, y'all read the title, but this is my diffuser from KBD. It's made out of this weird material that's kind of like a soft plastic, and the reason why it looks like this right now, because it has to like mold, like you have to like put it in heat. I had it outside before, but I moved into here with the heater. I'm gonna see if this works. But a really cool thing about this KBD bumpers and all their body kits is they can bend. As you see, like right here, I mean, you can just look at it, it's bent right now. People often run them as like the bumpers, side skirts, like they make a lot of other things. So I'm gonna put it down in the description if you're interested in this diffuser or any of their other products. Not sponsored, by the way. It's just a really cool like thing. I'm excited to put it on. I'm not putting it on till tomorrow, so gotta wait, but it's gonna look really sick. And honestly, it doesn't take that long, like once it's in heat, because I mean, look at it like right now compared to 10 minutes ago. It's gonna look great once I get this on my car. Like the rear end of the C5 is like, I feel like it's missing something. So this plus a few other things in the future, it's gonna look really good. This is the current setup. Got two heaters going on at once. This is taking so long, and it is nighttime, so I can't leave in the sun, because that's normally what you would do. So the material is called polyurethane, I believe, and it's really like indestructible. Right now I'm just kind of like moving it slightly to like change the heat pattern, because it's getting pretty hot. I mean, it's coming, it's gonna take a little bit, and that's what's expected. Almost done. All right, guys, basically all done now, except that side needs a little more. I'm not gonna install it tomorrow, because I'm stupid. I didn't ask for 3M tape. I thought it came with 3M tape, but it doesn't. So, everybody, it is currently a week later since Christmas. I got the flu, got pretty sick. We actually tried installing it, but we failed the first time because the tape wasn't the right one, like it didn't stick. So we got the right tape and we're about to install it right now. Okay, before installing the diffuser, I'm gonna clean my car real quick because it has some dust on it. All right, guys, I finally cleaned my car. I'm all ready to install it. This is it right here. It's gonna look good once it's on the car. Now, I haven't seen much videos talking about installing these, so I'm gonna try to be a little helpful for y'all. We're about to put it on. So what we're doing is we're putting the 3M tape, which I'm about to show y'all what 3M tape we're using. And then we're gonna drill a hole here, because you won't be able to tell under the car. And then one here, because you won't be able to tell under the car. And then under here, which there are 4 little things that you drill onto to hold it. So all that plus the tape should hold. This is the tape we're using. But yeah, this is about to look so clean. I cannot wait. Also, this is a reminder, always make sure your license plate and your like lights are clean. Just clean them, and it looks already like 1,000 times better from the rear. Car's too freaking low, it's touching the ground. All right, we're sanding under it now with 1500 grit to help the 3M tape stick a little better. Okay, we already got all the places where the screws are supposed to go, and now we're untaping it to stick it on. All right, now we're putting the 3M tape on. Okay, the problem we're having is having it fully stick on with the 3M tape. This is our second time putting it on, like I said. The first time, it did not stick on at all. So far, I mean, it's holding up together. I can't wait to like put it down and look at it. It's gonna look sick. All right, we're finally finished, and we put this on. This looks sick. The back sauce, the lower, so it's gonna look even lower in the back. But I'm really happy with the product. What do you think? Tired. My dad helped me. It was kind of hard, but it's fine.
It wasn't easy.
Yeah, I like the little chrome thing in the bottom, and then we clean my tips and everything. But yeah, I'm happy with it. This looks freaking sick, guys. I love it. All right, guys, so what do y'all think? I personally think it looks really good. I've been wanting a diffuser for months and months, ever since I got the car. And I'm just really happy with it. Even like the little chrome Corvette thing down there, it's just like the little things that makes like a car stand out. Now, if y'all were watching this and went to the same diffuser I did, I would say it's pretty difficult to install because getting into the behind the Corvette is pretty tight. Like, it's really small. We went through the license plate, and I would say we figured this out at the end. It's easier with the taillights out because you have more movement. For us, the tape didn't stick entirely, so we used screws, and like I said, we went through here and drilled them here. And definitely make sure y'all have magnetic tips because we kept dropping bolts, and that was the hardest part. For this diffuser, it's $600, and they have carbon versions of it. I just like this color of it personally, the black. I'm really happy about it. It just fits with the whole arrow I have. Personally, I just think it looks great. I'm really happy with it. Okay, I wanted to show y'all where we screwed in. So we put a screw here, I believe. Put a screw here. Think right here. Put one here. Under here. And then one under here. And this really makes it, even if it does stick, it brings in the diffuser, makes it fit tighter. It looks way better. And if y'all are interested in putting that's just 3M tape entirely. So you just gotta make sure it's even. But yeah, the difficult part is how tight it is inside the Corvette. That's really the hard part. But other than that, it's not too bad. And if this is y'all's first time here, this is my Corvette. It's a lot of things done to it. I have the sleepy lights too. Yeah, I really like my car. These lights on the bottom turn on too. You can change like the different modes and everything like that. I'm really happy with the diffuser. It really makes my car really come together fully. And I just want to thank my parents for helping me for Christmas, and my dad for helping me install it. But lastly, guys, I want to thank y'all for 1,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. I've always been super passionate about making YouTube videos and content creation. I've been posting YouTube videos for around 10 years. I've had this account personally for I think 7 years, and I've always posted videos on it and deleted them. And it just means so much to me to be able to post videos and y'all appreciate them and support me. And when I started posting my Corvette on this channel, I think I had 70 subscribers. And since then, I was gaining hundreds after hundreds of likes and views and subscribers. And I don't know, it's really crazy. I'm very, very thankful. I'm gonna keep posting for y'all guys, and I'm never gonna stop. So once again, I just wanna thank y'all all for y'all's support. Alright guys, it's the next day, and I'm gonna say I really like it. I'm really happy with the diffuser. I think it really transforms the whole rear end, really completes the whole car. I know I say this every video, but it's really a cool feeling building your dream car, especially with y'all watching me. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this turned out and the way it looks. Like I said, this is pretty difficult to install. If you are thinking about getting this, I'm gonna put it in the description. Just be careful not to puncture the paint above the diffuser if you are screwing it in, because for us the the tape didn't stick all the way. So make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and I just want to thank all of y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.